Now, this is the conventional method to import any kind of image into our project. But what if we wish to do the same in an accordance to the AngularJS? That is why let's head back to custom script, and in the first case, now we have created this comment section and we have mentioned that we will be practically fetching the image using the AngularJS into our project. And here, first of all, let's declare another variable which is known as fetch image. And within this fetch image, we will be practically using a definite JSON format mentioning the name of the animal, which should be fox. Next, the nature of the animal, which should be predator. And in the last case, we will be mentioning the habitation. There it goes. And we will be mentioning the file name that we had made usage of into the index.html that we had created. And here we will be using this relative path address from here. So we are going to copy it and we will be pasting it into the habitation part, into this parameter. So everything has been done, everything has been assigned right over here. Now let's attach all this data along with the scope object that we had created in this regards. This is the obvious thing that we need to do. So we will be now attaching this data along with this thing here, fetch all image, and here we will be using this variable name. So this is how right now we are connecting all these data along with this fetch all image variable name. Or we may assign some different name right over here, but right now this is the thing that crossed my mind. So that is why I have named it in this manner. Now we are going to copy this one. Let's head back to index.html, and within this source, all we are going to do, we will be using, this custom script.js. So first of all, we need to assign this habitation, the value assigned against it. So we will be copying this name from here, parameter name from here, and we will be assigning it right over into the source file that we had created. Now this is the first case. In the next case, the alt, we will be assigning some expression against it. So we will be using, for say this one, this parameter, or we may make usage of this one, this parameter right over here, this animal, and we will be assigning it right over here. It will be animal. And in the last case, we will be making usage of a title. We have already made a mistake. This is not animal. This is the fetch all image right over here. And in this last case, we will be making usage of this animal name right here. And here we need to keep it within this. So if we now head back to our project and reload, and now if we hover, we can see that the name is right now being displayed into our HTML browser. And if we now inspect our element, here it goes. This is the image source that is currently being displayed to it. The alt is Fox and the title is also Fox. So I think we had made usage of this, of a particular parameter twice in defining both these attributes here. So we need to check on it, animal and animal. So this is what we had done. All we may do, instead of animal here, we may make usage of this nature. We may make usage of this property, reload, and everything comes back in proper place. So the alt is predator. The predator value has been assigned to this alt tag, and the fox, the title has been assigned with this word fox. With this word fox. So everything remains right into the place. We are right onto the track, but we are actually not. If we head back to our Chrome browser, let's reload and let's inspect this element, and we can see that already an error is being generated right over here. If we now click on it, we can see that it says that it has failed to load this individual image right into our project and the file is not found. But the hard truth is the image is being displayed fine into our project. So why is it going on?